This AI tool creates full-length videos with just one command. Ever had one of those ideas for a story that you could not create? Something that you really wanted to bring to life, but the whole process of animating, writing, and editing was just overwhelming. Well, here's something that's going to change everything. Imagine creating a full animated adventure, complete with a plot, characters, voiceovers, and even background music, all from just a single prompt. Today, I'm diving into Magic Light, an AI-powered tool that lets you create entire 30-minute animated videos with one prompt. This is the future of content creation, and I'm about to show you exactly how it works. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will know how to create your very own professional quality videos in minutes. If you have ever been daunted by the process of video creation, whether it's writing scripts, generating images, animating, or piecing everything together, you know how time-consuming it can be. Magic Light eliminates all of that. It combines everything you need into one platform. No more jumping from one tool to another or paying multiple subscriptions. This one tool does it all. And here's the best part. You can create animated kids, stories, adventure tales, or even horror stories. Whatever genre you want to explore, Magic Light handles it with ease. You just need to give it a prompt and it takes care of rest. Not only is it more efficient than juggling multiple software, but it's also more cost-effective. First, you sign up with your email. No credit card required. Once you are in, the interface is clean and user-friendly, which is a huge plus. Trust me, you won't feel overwhelmed by a bunch of options or complicated menus. There's one big button that says Create AI Video, and that's your gateway to a world of possibilities. Also, you'll see the option Create AI Character. Using that option, you are able to create multiple characters. All you have to do is provide the character prompt, select the details, name, gender, category, age, and with this you can generate your own character. In order to create a video, you will need the story first. To create a mind-blowing story, you can use ChatGPT. Head over to the ChatGPT and provide the prompt to generate 5 to 10 titles in the specific genre in which you want to create the video. With that, you're going to get multiple title options. Now from the list, select any of it. Then again, you can ask ChatGPT to generate the story. Make sure to include all the details that you want in your story script. And by this, you're going to get your story script. Whether you want to write a classic fairy tale or something completely unique, Magic Light is built to turn that prompt into an entire animated story. And when I say it turns everything into a story, I mean it. This tool does not just generate images or text, it gives you the entire package, a breakdown of scenes, characters, voiceovers, and animations, all designed to fit your narrative. So you can copy your script and paste it over here. Once you do that, the tool will automatically break it down into multiple scenes. The more text you give it, the more scenes it will create, with each scene coming with its own image. But before we dive deeper into that, let's talk about the style. You'll get to choose the style of your video. Do you want 3D animation? Classic Disney style? Maybe something quirky like a comic book aesthetic? There's a range of options to pick from, depending on the vibe you want for your video. Also select the aspect ratio, landscape or portrait, and video language. I'm gonna set it to English. Magic Light supports multiple languages. Once you're done with the content part, click on Next. Your script has been divided into different scenes. Check out the scenes. If you're not satisfied with any of the scene, click on Back to Edit, make changes, and it will generate scenes again. Once you are satisfied with the scenes, click on Next. Now comes the character part. This is one of the features that really sets Magic Light apart. You can either use existing characters or create your own custom ones. It's all about maintaining consistency throughout the video, which gives your story that polished, professional look. If you want to create a character from scratch, you will input a prompt that describes what they should look like. For example, you could describe a brave hero with blonde hair, white cap, and a determined look. Magic Light takes that description and generates a fully formed character for you. You can tweak their appearance, clothing, and style until everything feels just right. If you need help coming up with character descriptions, don't worry. Just head over to ChatGPT, get a detailed character profile, and paste it into Magic Light. The AI will then generate the character image based on the details you provided. Once all the characters are set, it's time to confirm them and move on to the next step. This level of customization ensures your characters stay consistent from scene to scene, making your video feel cohesive and well planned. Now here comes the fun part, adding voiceovers, background music, and animations. First, you get to pick the narrator's voice. There is a wide range of voice options available, so you can choose the tone and style that best fits your story. You can adjust the voice speed as well, making sure it matches the pacing of your video. Next, you can add background music. You can browse through the music library and choose something that complements the mood of your scenes. Adjust the volume to make sure it does not overpower the voiceover, keeping the narration clear is the key. And if you want to add more life to your scenes, Magic Light allows you to animate the images. You can add different animation effects to each scene, and the tool gives you the option either let it animate automatically or customize the animation yourself. I just love this feature because it really enhances the viewing experience. The static images comes to life, making the video more engaging. Once everything is in place, your scenes, characters, voiceovers, and animations, it's time to generate your video. You'll have a chance to review everything before finalizing. Magic Light lets you preview each scene, so you can double check that the voiceovers sync correctly with the animation and music. You can also add subtitles if you want to make your video more accessible. When everything's perfect, click Generate Video and watch as Magic Light puts everything together into a seamless, professional quality videos. And here's the result.
Lila and Max cook joyfully on Cooking with Kids.
So there you have it, Magic Light in action. Whether you are a storyteller, a YouTuber, or just someone who loves creating content, this tool is a total game changer. You don't need any technical expertise to create high-quality animated videos. It's affordable, easy to use, and best of all, you can start earning from your content right away. Magic Light offers free credits to get you started, but if you want to unlock its full potential, I highly recommend the $10 subscription. It's a small price to pay for the time and effort it saves you. Also, you can check out the other videos created by other creators. And lastly, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.